Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Farmer's Breakfast Wrap from Tim Hortons. So the Tim Hortons Farmer's Breakfast Wraps are some of their newer breakfast options that they have here. I just did a review of the Farmer's Fiesta Wrap, which was another version of their Farmer's Wrap. This is the classic Farmer's Breakfast Wrap though, and inside it we got sausage. I got it with sausage, you can get bacon or sausage. It also has egg, a hash brown, cheese, and their chipotle sauce. And Tim Hortons has pretty good chipotle sauce, so I'm excited to get into this here. It's grilled, you get the grill burns here, so you know it's real. And yeah, eggs, sausage, hash brown, sauce, cheese. Hash brown in the middle there. Their chipotle sauce is really delicious. I like it a lot. You can see the egg on the side there. Got some of the yolk peeking through on the bottom. Sausage, hash brown, sauce. Didn't get any hash brown in that bite, but you can see it in the middle there, so here we go. That's too good. You can taste the sausage really well. The egg too. See, there's a little bit of egg yolk cooked there. Cheese wrapped around all that. That's really good. I like this. As far as breakfast wraps go, putting hash brown inside, that's genius. Seriously, too good. And so we got the hash brown on the bottom, sausage, egg, cheese, chipotle sauce. My first bite had a lot of chipotle sauce, and it was delicious. Second bite got more of the hash brown and completely changed how this tasted. But this is amazing. Last bite. Genius idea to put a hash brown inside of this. Wow. You can taste the egg a lot too, and the sausage, because they're pretty flavorful. Cheese is kind of there just to add a little bit of extra pizzazz. Chipotle sauce is one of the strong features of this. You taste it quite prevalently in this. But the hash brown's nice for that extra crunchiness. All this comes together to create a cool texture and delicious taste. So Farmer's Grilled Wrap, Farmer's Breakfast Wrap, Tim Hortons, it's really good. I would give it on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd say an 8 to an 8.5. It's flavorful, good texture, a lot of stuff going on the inside. It's got good chipotle sauce. You got the choice sausage or bacon. I really like this. It's unique, tasty, and a lot of texture going on in it, so I really like that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.